This is a 3D print of the 6.1-inch iPhone that Apple is expected to be releasing later this year. Here it is compared to the current iPhone 10. It is slightly larger because of the 6.1-inch display size, but it's actually not much wider. This is because of smaller bezels at just 3.25 millimeters compared to 4.25 millimeters on the iPhone 10. The new iPhone is 147.12 by 71.52 millimeters. Apple may be making the bezel smaller than the regular size iPhone 10, making either the phone smaller or the display larger, going from 5.85 inches to 5.95 inches. The notch will probably be the same size. The camera bump will of course be different since it is a single camera, not a dual camera, although it will actually be wider than the iPhone 10's camera bump due to a bigger sensor. It has a similar camera setup to the iPad Pro with the flash underneath the camera, although Apple is expected to be moving the mic in between the camera and the camera flash, and also to be making the camera bigger. Apple made it smaller, going from the 7 to the 8. The camera is 12 millimeters in diameter compared to 10 millimeters on the iPhone 7 and just 4 millimeters on the original iPhone.